Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. For indeed, with hardship comes ease. Indeed, with hardship comes ease. Welcome to day 9th of Mental Health Awareness. I'm Dr. Hina, and today we will talk about Surah Al-Shura, ayat number 5 and 6. This verse reminds us of an essential truth, that is, no difficulty remains forever, and every challenge comes with relief. The repetition of this surah emphasizes that ease is not just something that follows hardship, but is present alongside it. Even when things seem overwhelming, there is always a hidden blessings, a lesson, or an opportunity for growth. Life is a journey of ups and downs, and sometimes during hard times, it feels like things will never get better. This verse is a reminder that no matter how difficult life gets, ease is always on its way. In psychology, this is similar to a mindset shift called cognitive reframing, where we learn to see challenges not as permanent suffering but as part of a process that leads to personal growth. When people face difficulties, they often get stuck in their pain and forget that relief is possible. Studies show that those who hold on to hope recover from stress and sadness much faster. This verse encourages a shift in focus from seeing only the hardship to believing that ease will follow. No matter how tough things seem, there is always something good coming. Many times, anxiety grows from the fear that a bad situation will never improve. Worrying too much about the future can increase stress, making it even harder to cope. This verse teaches us to trust that life is always changing, and just as hardship appear, so does relief. This trust helps calm the mind, reducing unnecessary worry and helping us move forward with more patience. Challenges are not meant to break us, they help us grow stronger. Just like muscles becomes stronger after resistance, our emotions and character develop through difficulties. Instead of asking why something bad is happening, it helps to ask what can be learned from it. Those who remain patient and hopeful through struggles often come out wiser, more resilient, and better prepared for the future. Whenever life feels overwhelming, this verse is a powerful reminder that hardship doesn't last forever and ease will always come. Even if relief is not visible immediately, trust that it is on the way. Keep going, be patient, and have faith that everything is unfolding with wisdom and purpose. If you found this reminder is beneficial, give thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share.